Good afternoon, wet shaving enthusiasts and newbies. Welcome into the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. A while back, a couple of months ago, Wet Shaving Products from Chandler, Arizona offered a giveaway on their Instagram channel. What they were giving away was a set of their Formula T towel-based Gaelic Tweed, the shave soap, the aftershave, shave oil, their hand soap, and their hand balm. Part of that was also they got this wonderful towel that was embroidered by Arden and Gold. Beautiful shaving, huge. So, we'll be giving that a go today. Gaelic Tweed is their homage to Creed's green Irish Tweed. Notes on this are lemon verdena top notes, iris and violet leaf heart, and sandalwood and ambergris base notes. So, not something I'm really familiar with. Very nice, very interesting. So we'll be giving that a go for the first time, and my apologies for taking so long to get around to getting it done. This towel, again, haven't used it, super soft, love it. I don't have a proper towel for my den. This will be great. To go with this, we're also going to use my 8/8 half hollow elongated monkey tail. I've done a review of this just a while ago and love it. Thank you to Alejandro Balbis of Montreal, Canada. And we have got soaking in the skull, of course. We have got Coyote Cola 24mm tube band badger. Love this thing. So we'll give that a go. What we're going to do is we're going to keep the volume down for you guys, keep the talking to a minimum. Let's just get our shave on, see what this is all about. So anyway, hang back and yeah, we'll get this going. Thanks. all cleaned up. Got everything all sorted out a little bit. Love this towel, by the way. And I realized just as I started my shave, I forgot to use the pre-shave oil that comes with that set. I will use that the next time. Again, I don't use pre-shave oil very often, so oversight, I will use it the next time. Well, we got it all washed out. Got our mustache waxed up. Coincidentally, that is also made by Wet Shave Products. This is Olympus. This is their Hercules hold. It's a very firm hold mustache wax. That's what I've been using a little bit lately. Been experimenting with different products. So, we will finish this up with the After Super Shave Splash. Very nice scent. Not something I'm hugely familiar with. My girlfriend is out right now watching the last Avengers movie at the show with her daughter and a friend of theirs. So she should be back home soon. I'll get her ideas of what she thinks of this. So anyway, guys, that will conclude today's shave. Not so much a review. You guys are really familiar with their products. I definitely suggest you check out the Shaving Tulsin, or is it Tulsin Shaver? I'm sorry, but he has an awesome review recently of a lot of the wet shaving products, their products. So my thanks to Lee for offering the giveaway, and to Melanie, their spokesperson and media person. So I really appreciate being able to win on that draw. So this is a very awesome set. This towel from Arden in gold with the wet shaving products emblem embroidered into it. Awesome, really super soft, soaked about it, awesome stuff. So, Formula T. Tallow, Gaelic Tweed, their homage to Creed's green Irish Tweed. Matching pre-shave oil. Matching splash when I turn it the right way. We've also got it in the hand pump. And in the bath primer, or the hand soap. So thanks very much. That was freaking awesome. Allie, this is probably the third time I've used this razor, and I love it. Awesome. It's an 8/8 half hollow, elongated monkey tail. Just amazing stuff. So, anyway, guys, that's going to do me for today. So, thanks for watching. And your comments, suggestions, good, bad, and different, don't hesitate to leave them down below. I always enjoy reading them and doing what I can to make entertaining videos for you guys. So, anyway, we'll see you again in a few days. You take care. Bye-bye.